Hi, John Czapko, Thrive Insurance Group. Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, I thought we would talk about some of the basics and fundamentals of commercial insurance. This week I've spent a lot of time with startup businesses, and I worked with a startup retail business that was focusing on uniforms, and then I worked with a company that is starting up a CPA, and both had unique needs from a startup perspective. The CPA firm needs errors and omissions, E&O insurance, and the uniform retail business needed some general liability business owner protection. So I thought we would talk a little bit about the basics of commercial insurance and what is needed from a business perspective to get going. So the fundamentals of commercial insurance really come down to general liability, which is the cornerstone, which really protects the fundamentals of your business from a bodily injury perspective or property damage of someone else's property, not your property, someone else's property. If you were to damage their property, it covers that information. It covers libel and slander. It's really the cornerstone of your protection. So get general liability insurance. The next layer you want to get is property insurance. If you have any sort of property, whether that's a building, whether that's inventory, whether that's property that you have within your business, you want to protect that. You can get a combo meal, which is a business owner policy, which is a combo of a general liability policy that combines the two. There's variants off of that we're not going to go into today. You get commercial auto, you can get workers' compensation, you can get cyber. There's a lot of variants off of that. You can get errors and omissions, which protects you, that you get bad advice or guidance to someone. If you have a contractor's business, you can get errors and omissions for contractors. So there's a lot of variants that you can get, but the cornerstone really is general liability. And most claims are coming in between $15,000 and $100,000 for claims against general liability. So if you don't have insurance, you've got to pay for that out of pocket. Now there's coming in with nuclear verdicts, which are in the millions of. So imagine what that does to your pocketbook if you don't have insurance. Even if you have insurance, what happens if you have a nuclear verdict? Well, then you need to have excess liability, which layers on top of general. So you really need to sit with your local insurance agent and make sure that you have the proper protection in place for your business, for your family's protection. Because guess what? If you don't have the proper protection in it from your business perspective, you're personally liable for those charges. So make sure you have the proper protection in place for your business. Make sure you have a resilient risk management play in place for your business. If you have any questions, reach out to your local insurance broker, your insurance agent. Make sure you're having these conversations. If you want to have conversations with us, we'd love to be able to do that for you. We'd love to be able to be of service to you. Please reach out to us through Facebook, through YouTube, through email. We'd love to be able to have these conversations. And remember, thrive today, protect tomorrow. Thanks. Have a great day.